Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part 4. I think the last one. First of all, if you ever wanted to grab all these nodes, take your pick tool and select everything, then go to your shape tool and you picked all your nodes. So somebody asked why I use the docker on joint curves instead of just using this. And you see it didn't do anything. I'm grabbing all those nodes and I'm gonna go close curve. It doesn't work. Where if I do it with the docker, these lines are 0.25 apart. These lines are 1 inch apart. I've got my gap tolerance set on 3. So I just joined the 4 lines that were within, a third of an inch. It didn't bother the other lines. So you have more control with your docker. You could push this away all the way to 0.5 of an inch. It's still gonna do that. Well, I didn't evidently have all those selected. And you could hit apply, and it's gonna close all these because these are more than a ½ inch apart. As you can see, it's 0.75 apart. So it will not close it. So even matter of fact, I guess to answer his question that he had earlier about why I use that instead of just doing this, is because it doesn't work on that scenario. Let's grab them all and do that. And if we do this, it'll close those curves. Anyway, I hope that answered his question, and thank you for watching.